What's up, guys? So, I got Luke with me.
Yes,
the Menace.
sir.
The Menace. We're going to a pretty, well-known spot today, but I figured content's content, right? So, we're here in Ellicott City, Maryland. We're gonna go check out the altar, check out the bridge, just walk around, have some fun, chilling, big chilling. It's pretty nice out here. Ellicott City's nice, man. I don't care what nobody says.
Fuck yeah. God dang, that's great.
Come up these stairs. Everybody knows where this spot's at. Come down these stairs, or up there. You bust a right here. Hold up. Got some fellow adventurers up there. Big chillin'. Big chillin'. This is a cool little spot to walk around, check out. This, if you go left over there, you will, there's a trail to the Hell House altar and stuff. There used to be what do you call it? I think it was like St. Mary's or something. A hospital over there, but they tore it down. Or not St. Mary's, what the hell was it called? I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But all kinds of really nice graffiti.
Not worried about asbestos.
Yeah, no asbestos here.
Even if there was, you wouldn't fucking get much of it. It's
Right.
all open.
It's definitely a cool little spot. There isn't really anything on the other side. There's just more train tracks. But it's definitely worth checking out. But this is an active train track. You gotta be careful. It's kind of dark. You can't see too good. You see that? Maybe the Hat Man will fucking take us and put us out of our misery.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
This green cup. This time the worst for me.
There we go. We got a little flashlight action. My hair is going crazy, but fuck it, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't even care.
I'm wearing this hoodie I've had for fucking couple of years. This bitch is fucking stained as shit. It's just my go out hoodie.
Hey, it puts in the work, right?
Yeah.
That's how my trench coat is. It keeps me warm. It's like my black cape.
For my new service. You hear me?
Damn tunnel, boy.
Water?
Yeah, it's probably leaking through the bricks. I mean, this tunnel's old. But it's pretty cool. Especially because they shot that movie here. And, I just think it's fun. I love found footage horror movies. I have a problem. I'm literally addicted to them. I just
What kind of horror movies?
found footage.
Found footage?
Yeah, like Blair Witch Project, stuff
okay.
like that.
Yeah.
I like the realism to it. And a lot of them take place in Maryland. You got like the Bay, you got the Hat Man, you got Grave Encounters. What's it called?
Yeah, Maryland's just one of those spots that just has everything. Like,
It does have a little bit of everything.
it really does. Like all the stories, all the shit that happens. So it's just like the Key Bridge. You know?
Right. That's crazy. Oh yeah, today there was a tragic incident on the Key Bridge. It's gone. So that sucks. And they're still looking for people. They're probably dead. Unfortunately, rest in peace. But
Yeah, falling from over 100 foot.
wait, do you hear that? Oh shit, come on. I think the train's coming. We gotta go. Try not to get hit by a train, so. Oh, fuck. Here, just get to the side. crazy. Bro, for real, that was muddy as shit. What's your opinion on the near-death experience? Talk to the camera.
Fucking loud.
Fucking loud.
Yep, it was definitely loud as fucking scare me.
You're not playing, man.
I definitely got my heart racing.
Me too. My heart was beating.
I was like, fuck, I'm about to get hit by something.
You just never know what you're gonna get into with hanging out with me.
Yeah, you're like, okay, let's go. Let's go back. And then it's like,
That was pretty sick, right? Well, we survived.
yeah, we're alright.
We're alright.
Just a little. My ears are already closed, so it's fine.
The view's immaculate.
Nice.
Immaculate. The last train that came through here lasted for like 5, maybe like 7 minutes. That motherfucker was moving, bro. It was long. That was a long
That
boy.
was like 3 minutes for sure.
Yeah. That was a short one, for sure.
I was the fucking short one. I didn't want to listen to that shit for that long. God damn. Holy fuck.
You only live once.
Yeah.
Try to make it count.
I'm gonna die, you know?
All kinds of adventures to go on. Near death experiences to have.
Yep.
Live a little. Sometimes you just gotta live a little.
Makes you enjoy life that much more.
It does. It makes you appreciate the things you got.
Tell you what, the people tagging those walls are fucking nuts, bro.
Dude, they got some balls, huh?
Yeah. Like, where are you standing, dog? There ain't nowhere to stand.
Hell no.
You bringing your little fucking extender ladder and fucking just putting it over the bar?
They probably are.
Yeah. Fucking dumb.
Well, goodbye, Bridge. It was fun.
Yeah.
So,
Started making our trip, and then got a little cut in half.
so if we go this way, though, man, I get your blood pumping. We got our first set of stairs. Creepy College is what they used to call this place, I think. Something like that. I've been here tons of times, but, you know, it is what it is. Alright. Tell you I'm gonna be out of breath when I get up to the top of these. I'm a fat bitch. Alright. What's up, guys? I think we're gonna take 5, catch our breath real quick, and smoke a cigarette.
I'm thinking of my exercise so I go to fucking sleep.
Facts. Alright. So, we're back. Got our air back. About to climb some more stairs. And
There's more trees and some sticks.
trees, sticks, fish sticks. Wouldn't that be funny if there really was?
Where'd the stair go?
Oh yeah. She got a, what is that? Nullified. Control Alt Delete. So, we got a little walk ahead of us. Nothing crazy. There's not much to talk about. Trees, birds, grass, all the good stuff.
Just by listening to that car, you know what it is?
Huh.
Mustang.
Rusting.
Yeah, you know, I think we should 2JZ swap a Mustang. You know, that'd be really cool, bro.
RB26, baby. RB is the way. It's like the 2J is better, but the RB sounds the best.
On my hole.
Hole. I'm gonna put you in the hole. Caution. Don't fall in the hole.
You know?
Yeah.
Well drop.
Right. Dolphin dive high five.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You ever seen Beersy's videos? You know who Beersy is? He makes these weird ass videos where he goes and fucks with people at Walmart. And he does this thing where he's like, "You want some tuna juice?" And he pulls out a can where it says like tuna on it and something about finches and I don't know. And then he goes, bloop, dolphin dive high five. And it's just this thing.
You know who Shoe Nice is?
No.
Shoe Nice is a guy that a couple years ago he'd be like, "This is Shoe Nice, and I'm gonna drink this whole bottle of Jack." And he'd be sitting there, he's like, and he just drinks the whole bottle, and he's like, and fucking headbangs into the floor. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. This is the way. I have to check him out. Yeah. I'm too fat to be running upstairs. What's up, guys? So, we made it to our final location. Oh, altar. It's sick. It's real cool. So check it out. Got some SpongeBob stars over there. Old gutter. I believe they painted all these ruins when they were shooting the movie Butterfly Kisses to make it look cooler, I guess. They did a good job. It looks awesome. There used to be a giant cross over here, but it's gone now. I should have viewed a lot sooner. You can go ahead and walk up there if you want. I'm gonna check this out real quick. That's it. That is the altar. Used to come up here, smoke, just chill. Nothing crazy. What'd you say? This is it. It was an old altar. There used to be a big cross in the middle. Somebody tore it down. And so someone came and painted it all up, made it look cool. Just something different. What's up, man? How you doing? That's just a chill little spot. Good little walk up here, get some exercise in. I guess I'm gonna grab some B-roll and we're gonna wrap this one up because that's all there's really to see since the school's torn down. Peace. Yeah.
Spot tower.
Enjoying the nature, right? Little post-apocalyptic,
Yeah.
whatever. Look, if the apocalypse happened, I'd probably think that this is where people sacrificed other people. For the food. We eat them. We eat our victims. You're next, boy.
Some little combat.
But I think we're gonna call it big vibes. It's just a chill little spot.
Small adventure.
Yeah, small little adventure.
Nothing too crazy.
Nothing crazy, you know, it's Tuesday. Right. I'm too fat to do a backflip. We got people up there. Hang on. You see their light? I already did. I almost got hit by the train. A beer? I want $1,000 and I'll jump in the water. Oh God, $1,000, I'll jump in the river right now. Come on, man, I need some incentive, bro. I'll never see you again, brother. Well, there's the hat man in there right now. Leroy Jenkins! Oh, Ezekiel! My bad. Woo! Alright, guys, take it easy. Man, we should make up a little bucket list and start checking them off. This one's fun, right? That's cool.
Oh yeah, no,
It's different.
It's solid. It's definitely solid.
Yeah, everyone has their own interests though, so I want to cater to everybody, you know. So, what do you got? What do you got in mind? What do you got planned? What are you trying to do?
You know, I'm trying to see those spots that nobody goes to. Those.
The road less traveled.
Yeah, the road less traveled. The mysterious places that are left untouched that have been there for years.
Me too, man. That's what it's all about, man. Sure.
You get to see the past.
Exactly. You get to see the past, how it could have been, how it once was. And it ain't like that no more. It's crazy. This was they tore the building down when I think I was
sacrificed on the altar.
right. I think they tore it down when I was like 15 or 16, and I mean, this is all that's left, really. It's still a nice little park to walk around, though. I could say that 1,000 times, but I guess video just never does places justice. I'm sure a lot of people have been here before, but I mean, as you can tell. But I like it because it's not all trashy. It's still got some nature to it. We're on like a nice hill.
Oh, for sure.
So, what do you say? We just gonna go after it, chase our dreams?
Of course, you gotta chase your dreams. You gotta take that first step in the door, and anything's possible.
Anything's possible.
Anything.
This is America. We got, well, not America. This is the world.
This
America's
America.
just a little slice of the pie, man.
Yeah, you gotta see it all.
I'm trying to see it all. I'm trying to go to fucking Thailand, Japan, Mexico, Switzerland, Poland, you name it. I'm trying to live, man. I'm sick of surviving. Sick of it. Getting by, doing the same old thing, rinse and repeat. It ain't for me anymore. I'm sorry. It's gonna be a long road ahead of us. But if we keep our head in the game, I think it'll work out. So on that note, I guess we're gonna finish her off here. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Like, follow, subscribe. And every time someone subscribes, I'm gonna hit up a random person, take him on an adventure with us. One of the more grander adventures. So make sure you subscribe. Into the nitty gritty. On that note, Luke, send them off.
We are signing off. Catch us on the next adventure.
Boom.